Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Daniel with Electric. If you are the first time on my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Today I am going to show you how to install a USB outlet that is very useful today. This way you don't have to have your power brick anymore. Just plug in your cord into the USB, and this way you can charge your phone. Now, probably is not the fast charge that the power brick is going to give you, but overnight, if it's going to take like 2 hours to charge, there shouldn't be any problem. So let's get started. Alright, first step is you want to make sure that you are protected, and then step number 2, you want to make sure that you don't have any power in here. So then we're going to take the cover off. We're going to take our drill to undo the screw. Alright, in this case we have only a grounding, a neutral, and a hot. This USB outlet comes with 2 spots for 2 groundings. One grounding, 2 hot, 2 neutrals, and 2 hots. But in this case, we have only one. So this is the outlet that we're going to use. Alright, step number 1, you're going to take the grounding. Looks like in this case the grounding has to be looped around the screw. We're going to do that first. Tighten that up nice and tight. Okay, step number 2, we're going to do the neutral. You're going to open that up, and it's going to go in this slot right here. Always the grounding goes on the same side, the neutral goes on the same side with the grounding, and then usually the neutral has a white screw, so remember that. Open this up. I'll put this in. Tie it down. Pull on to make sure it's tight. We'll get the hot or the black wire. Put that in. Make sure it's tight. Push it in. Okay. Make sure the outlet is tight. Now this this USB outlet comes with a screwless cover. Basically, you won't see the screws. So there's 2 parts on this cover. Number 1 is the part that attaches to the outlet. So you're gonna have to open that up right now. So there's step 1. You have to install the cover that actually has screws on. It comes with 2 little screws. Do 1. And do the other one. Okay, and now this cover is going to snap on this support right here. Done. So there's the USB outlet. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something, and this way you don't have to call an electrician to do your USB outlet. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, leave me a comment. If you want to see anything else installed, so you can learn it. Please leave me a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.